Good morning everyone. I am Sangyukta Nandi. I am reading class 2 at Nibrita Shishutitho. Today I will speak about Kazi Nazrul Islam. Kazi Nazrul Islam was a great poet. People called him the rebel poet. He was born on 24 May 1899 in the village of Churulia. His nickname was Dukhu Miya. He was very poor in childhood. His father's name was Kazi Fakir Ahmad and his mother's name was Zahida Khatun. He loved our country. He wrote brief poems. Nazrul's poems gave pupils courage. British feared Nazrul's writing. His every words were powerful. His songs are still popular. Kazi Nazrul Islam fought through writing. Kazi Nazrul Islam passed away on 29 August 1976. He is a pride of Bengal and India. We remember Nazrul with respect. Thank you.